In this tutorial, I will quickly show you how to create and perform the mail merge for creating release forms and purchase agreements in the CRM. And the way you're going to do this is go to the quote section or the quote that you want to release the PA from or create the release form, and select Print Quote for Customer. At that point, it's going to give you this little box here, and you will let the CRM know from what mail merge template you're going to choose from. So it's going to be an organization mail merge template, and you click the query box, and you'll see a few different choices here. CMC for Revenue Bank CNT choice is used if you are creating a revenue bank. This will create a purchase agreement and have a spot there for you to fill in a CNT form. So that is what you use when you need to create a CNT agreement. This CMC PA Monster Sale CNT template is pretty similar to the one above, but this is used for monster sale scenarios. So if you need to send a monster sale PA to a customer, you use that. CMC for PA for typical sale is the PA that you use if you are sending out a purchase agreement to a account or a prospect that you need them to sign for releasing product. So PYP, Visa cards, Gorilla, whatever it is. If it's not a revenue bank or a monster sale and I'm sending them out product that I need them to sign off on, that's the quote. That's the template I use. Your comp release form is pretty much the choice that you use if you're sending out a comp. So this is going to just print a release form, and it's going to be for a complimentary form release. Extension fee is self-explanatory. It's going to create a PA, and you use this if you are sending out a PA for an extension fee. This one here, PAN release form. This is a template that was set up so that it will have both the release form and the PA all in one template. The problem with this form is that it doesn't work for a PA that has more than 2 products on it. Sometimes it works with 3. We're currently working on fixing that, but you can go ahead and try that out if you have something with 1 product on it, and that will create your PA, and right below it the release form, so that you could just do the mail merge one time. If you pull it up and it doesn't work and doesn't create the release form on that mail merge, it still will have the PA which you can use, and then you would use this release form or release order template, because this is the template you use just to create a release. Generally, if you're going to create a product to release today and you send the PA, we would do the typical PA to create that PA mail merge, and then we would do the release form next and save both those to your computer. And what this PA and release is set up to do both on one. But again, it only works if you have 2 or less products included on in the quote. These 2 are not used for anything, so excuse me, sorry about that. You don't want to use these 2, and we'll get those out. But the last one here is release from Revenue Bank. This is the release that you use when you're creating a release form from a revenue bank that you already have set up. So, somebody calls me up, they have a $20,000 revenue bank, and they need me to send them some PYP or whatever the product is. When I run that mail merge, I use this release from Revenue Bank, and it's pretty much like everything else, the other release form, but this will pull from the revenue bank that you already, from the job that you already have set up for that revenue bank. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, just pick one of them. I'll just pick PA for a typical sale, and I'm going to hit OK. And in each type of Microsoft versions, everything's a little bit different as far as how to do the next steps, but this is, I believe, Microsoft Word 2010. So we would get this mail merge document, hit open, enable our editing, click your add-in, hit CRM, click OK to this little box, and up here finish, edit individual. Hit OK. And of course it's going to have a few things here. But anyway, you would get your form like this. And again, save. And you could save it as a Word document. I know some of you guys are doing it as a PDF, but I would recommend just saving it as a Word document, maybe updating the outside salesperson, client service, account manager. One important thing, even though this is a Word document and you can obviously type in any description, any notes into the box here, we recommend that you don't do that. You update the CRM prior to running this mail merge, because again, if you update this form and save it, that information is only saved on this form and not in the CRM. So we would want all the information saved in the CRM and then to run this mail merge so that that information is there and not necessarily on a mail merge Word document. So again, that is how we go ahead and perform the mail merge function in the CRM. If you have any questions, please see me. Again, it's pretty similar on all versions of Windows, but little steps could vary. So if you have any questions, please see me. But that's it. Thank you.